Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And if you are new here, hi, my name is Nini. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I just want to share with you my newest purchase from Chanel right before the price increase. So I have a wish list with my essay, and I just couldn't believe that this item was available to purchase like so fast, and also the fact that I was able to purchase it just right before the price increase. It's made me feeling really lucky. So here I am today sharing with you guys my newest purchase from Chanel. Oh my god, that is such a good job. Packaging this bag. So much fun. So this is my receipt. So even though this is before the price increase, the price of this bag still leaves me breathless. So this is how much I paid for it. So I have been following the Chanel 19 since the day it came out, which is in 2019. So it's just a fun fact because Chanel 19 came out in the year of 2019, so they picked 19 to be the name of this bag. Simple. I have been liking this bag for over 2 years. The version that I like is the version that came out in the collection, I believe 28. or 20S. I can't remember, but it's in the color burgundy with the shiny cap skin. So it's the patent colors. And I love the Chanel 19 in that combo so much. But back then when that collection came out, I do not have a Chanel SA, so I cannot get one. Simply as that. And I was like, maybe I just should wait until like they have one available in the resale market. So I was stalking Fashion File. I stalked the Real and Reebok, Yogi Closet, you name it. I stalked all the website. So if one show up, the price will be unreasonable price whenever one showing up. So that's why up until now I still can't lay my hand on that bag. But this bag, so I told my essay I really want a Chanel 19 in my collection, and she have the one in black colors available before this one. This is the 21A gray. Oh my god, I only like the gray from this collection. So the gray from the last season is a little bit too dark. From last year, I think it's a little bit too dark. I didn't like that shade. But this shade of gray, it's just perfect in my opinions. I just love it. Originally though, I really want this gray colors in the mini flap top handle. Oh my god, that combo is so beautiful. The thing is, the wait list for that bag is super long, and they only have several pieces coming into the store. So of course, my asset telling me that it's gonna be super hard to get, and she can't promise me that bag at all. So even this bag, she been telling me this bag, the wait list for this bag is also super long, but for some reason I was able to get it. And I feel so lucky that I got it right before the price increase. So the price increase is gonna happen on July 1st, and she's confirmed with me that this bag will go up at least 10%. So right now this bag is retail for $5,100. In a week it's going to be $5,600. Oh my god. So now that I feel so lucky, I feel like if I do not get this bag right now, I don't think I will ever get it in the future. No. So this bag is the 21A grays, and this is in 3 color hardware. So right here we have the brush gold, and then we have silver. Let me take the chain out. Yep, and then we have ruthenium. So they are composed of 3 different color hardware on the strap. And again, I see there's a lot of people still confusing about the new collection that it doesn't come with authenticity card or the serial number. But here, right here, here's the tiny little golden plate that is have the serial number on it. So this is what the inside looked like. It's have the same color lining, but it's in fabric. And right here is have a zipper slot. So this is the tag for my bag. And in the back, here is another like slot for the phone, and I really love this option. I just always like it when a handbag come with a back pocket, so I could stick something in here real quick. But most of the time, this is where I put my phone. I just really love handbag that just come with a back pocket like that. It just makes it so convenient, you know. So this is the size medium. I don't know why they call this the size medium, but this is actually the smallest size out of the three. So this is a medium. There is a large one. So I have seen the large one is a little bit bigger than this one, and you see how this one is have like one half quilt, right? Two half quilt and one full quilt. But I see that's the large one is have three of the full quilt, if I don't remember it wrong. And then when I was in the store, I was able to check out the flap, but I checked it out in the size maxi. Oh my god, the Chanel 19 in the size maxi is super big. It's huge. It just looks so big on me. I was like, I could literally put my baby in there. But here come this bag with some mugshot. So I know there are people who have the Chanel 19 and absolutely in love with this, but there are also people who I know that do not like it at all and get rid of it right away. So let me know if you are the team 19 or if you are not a team 19. Leave me a comment down below, and also let me know how do you like it, what are the pros and cons that you could mention. I would be super happy to listen to all of your comments. So thank you so much for watching, and please give me a thumb up and also consider to subscribe to my channel. Thank you, and I will see you guys again in my next video. Bye bye.